Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fusion Grill. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to avoid electrical issues. Remove screws and plastic clips along the top edge of the bumper using a trim tool and a Phillips driver. Carefully pull the bumper outward to expose the grill mounting points. Unscrew grill bolts, swap the grill, then reverse the steps to reassemble and test alignment and latch function. Have your tools organized and within reach so the job flows smoothly and safely. Use a Phillips screwdriver and a 10 mm socket to remove visible screws and bolts. A flat trim tool helps pry plastic clips without cracking them. Keep a magnetic tray for small metal pieces and a soft blanket under the bumper to prevent scratches. Working methodically saves time and avoids loss. Start by opening the hood and removing the top screws that hold the bumper cover. Use a trim tool to release the plastic clips along the wheel wells and lower edge, then gently pull the bumper cover forward to access the grill. Unscrew the grill mounting bolts and detach the old grill, then align and secure the new grill with the same bolts. Reinstall clips and screws, check alignment, and close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.